Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to automate email replies in Gmail for Business. If you're getting repetitive questions from clients or customers, automation can save a ton of time. This full step-by-step guide for 2026 will help you reply faster while still sounding professional. First, open Gmail and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Choose See All Settings to access advanced features. Go to the Advanced tab and enable Templates. This feature lets you save reusable replies for common business emails. Click Compose and write a professional response like a greeting or pricing reply. Then click the three-dot menu, choose Templates, and save it as a new template. Next, create filters to automate replies. Go to Filters and Blocked Addresses, then create a new filter based on keywords, sender, or subject. When setting the filter action, choose Send Template and select your saved reply. Yeah, this is where the automation really happens. For instant replies outside work hours, enable the vacation responder. You can customize it for business hours, weekends, or holidays. Keep automated replies short, clear, and polite. Always let clients know you'll follow up personally if needed. Yeah, automation should feel helpful, not robotic. Send a test email to confirm everything works correctly. Make sure replies trigger properly and sound natural. And yeah, that's how to automate email replies in Gmail for Business step by step in 2026. If this guide saved you time, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.